Hello friends, welcome back to infyGyan. Today in this video, we have another very interesting and challenging algebraic problem. 1 plus x whole power 5 plus 4 minus x whole power 5. We have to evaluate if x square minus 3x minus 5 equal to 0. So let's get started by considering this is our required expression E. Now we will add 1 to both sides of our quadratic equation. So we can write LHS will become x square minus 3x minus 5 plus 1 minus 4 equal to 1. Now we can factor LHS. So I can split our middle term minus 3x as minus 4x plus x. Then we have minus 4 equal to 1. Now from first two terms we can take x common. So in the bracket we will write x minus 4. From last two we will take 1 common. We will get the same bracket x minus 4. RHS is 1. So we have x minus 4 times x plus 1 in LHS. RHS is 1. So from here I can write x minus 4 will be equal to 1 over x plus 1. Here x cannot be equal to negative 1 as it is not satisfying our quadratic equation. Here if I will plug in x equal to negative 1, it will give us 1 plus 3 minus 5, which is not equal to 0. Now I will use this result x minus 4 equal to 1 over x plus 1. How it is possible? First I will take minus 1 common from here. So I can write required expression E x plus 1 whole power 5 as it is. Once I will take minus common, it will come out as minus 1. So plus sign will change into minus. Then we will write x minus 4 whole power 5. Now x minus 4 is 1 over x plus 1. So I can write required expression E equal to x plus 1 whole power 5 minus 1 over x plus 1 whole power 5. Let's say x plus 1 equal to, suppose A. Let us say x plus 1 equal to A. So our required expression is A power 5 minus 1 over A power 5. Now I will utilize the same equation. I will write x minus 4 as, I can write x plus 1 minus 5, x plus 1 minus 5 equal to 1 over x plus 1. Now we will take minus 5 to the RHS and 1 over x plus 1 to the LHS. So I will get x plus 1 minus of 1 over x plus 1 equal to 5. X plus 1 minus of 1 over x plus 1 equal to 5. X plus 1 was A. So I can write A minus 1 over A. This is equal to 5 and it is said to find out A power 5 minus 1 over A power 5. Now question is simple one. We can utilize one algebraic identity or formula, or we can derive immediately A power 5 minus 1 over A power 5. This would be equal to A square plus 1 over A square. Then we will write A cube minus 1 over a cube. If I will multiply a square with a cube, I will get a power 5. If I will multiply these two, then I will get minus 1 over a power 5. Now we have to only subtract the cross product term. So if I will write here, then 1 over a square times a cube will give us a, and a square times minus 1 over a cube will give us minus 1 over a. So we will take away a minus 1 over a. So our target is to find out a square plus 1 over a square and a cube minus 1 over a cube. This is already we know value is 5. Let's calculate a square plus 1 over a square first. So I will write a minus 1 over a equal to 5. Consider squaring both sides. We will use a minus b whole square formula and write a square plus 1 over a square minus 2 times a times 1 over a equal to 25. Now a and a will be over. We will get a square plus 1 over a square minus 2 equal to 25. Or I can write a square plus 1 over a square. This would be equal to 27. Now we have to calculate a cube minus 1 over a cube. I will consider cubing both sides. 1 over a whole cube. This will be equal to 5 whole cube. Let's apply the formula. So I can write here, let me write a minus 1 over a whole cube equal to 5 whole cube. Now we will write a cube minus 1 over a cube minus 3 times a times 1 over a times a minus 1 over a, and RHS is 125. Now this is 5. A will be cancelled out. Now I can write here a cube minus 1 over a cube minus 3 times 5 equal to 125. Now I can write a cube minus 1 over a cube minus 15 equal to 125. Add 15 to both sides. We will get a cube minus 1 over a cube value will be equal to 125 plus 15. This will be equal to 140. So a cube minus 1 over a cube is 140. Now we will calculate our required expression E directly. A power 5 minus 1 over a power 5. This is equal to a square plus 1 over a square times a cube minus 1 over a cube minus a minus 1 over a. Now a square plus 1 over a square was 27. A cube minus 1 over a cube was 140. A minus 1 over a was 5. So we have to multiply these two numbers first. So this product will come out 3780 minus 5. So we can say our answer will become 3775. I hope friends you will enjoy or like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care. Bye bye.